International company AsstrA successfully delivered 8 power transformers from China to Uzbekistan for energy infrastructure facilities in Fergana, Tashkent, and Havast. Each transformer differed in weight and configuration, ranging from 20 to 120 tons. AsstrA experts coordinated every stage of the project, from a comprehensive route survey, detailed analysis of infrastructure constraints along the corridor, collection of the cargo at the manufacturing facility, and delivery to the customer's sites in Uzbekistan. The safe and precise positioning of the transformers was carried out using hydraulic gantry systems and specialized lifting and rigging equipment. The project stands as another example of AsstrA's expertise in delivering oversized energy equipment across Central Asia safely and efficiently.